Hello everyone. Today I will show you unboxing my new Aerogarden harvest. I already have one, but I decided to upgrade a bit and bought a new one. The package came pretty quickly and without any problems. The Aerogarden harvest is designed to grow 6 plants at a time. The first thing we see in the box is a manual on how to use this device. Next comes a set of seed boxes along with nutrition. The device is well protected by cardboard, so no damage during transportation. In the box there is a power supply for the device for 12 volts. The device comes in a plastic bag that also protects it from additional damage. In addition, the Aerogarden Harvest power supply can run at 100 to 240 volts and 50/60ths of a hertz. That means you can use it in almost any country in the world, and all you need is an adapter for your type of plug. Let's open up the seed pod kit. The first thing we see here is a manual on how to properly handle the seeds. Next are the seed pods themselves. They consist of a plastic basket with a grow sponge inside. There are already seeds inside the sponge. Also in the box is liquid food for the plants. It is enough for the whole cycle of growing 6 seed pods. And the last thing you will find here are the transparent domes. They are designed to provide high humidity during the germination stage. I also want to say a few words about the Aerogarden Harvest tank lid. It is different from most competitors because it consists of 2 parts. The water is pumped by a water pump into the inside of the lid. Then the water travels through channels directly to each seed pod. The result is a much better supply of nutrient solution to the plants. At the bottom of the tank there is a water pump with a filter. The pump is connected to the system by a separate cable and you can easily disconnect it. This is very convenient if you need to remove the tank to change the water. Also, there is a mark here to which you need to fill the water. That's it for now. I wish you success in hydroponics and see you later.